Bitcoin price is right now sitting on a crucial level, and everybody is wondering, will we move here now back into lower levels to bigger support, or will we see a move back to the upside and break here through further resistance levels? So that is definitely something that I want to cover today. So definitely stick around here until the end, and don't forget to like the video, smash up the subscribe button, and also activate the notification bell so that you will never miss out on these important updates. So, and now let's get here straight into the content, guys. We have seen here on the 12-hourly chart that Bitcoin was forming here this W pattern. So, and had then here this small fake out, broke then above the neckline, and now is still fighting with the neckline. So if we are closing the next 12-hourly candle under this important neckline, then this big green candle was technically a fake out for this W pattern, because now we saw straight afterwards a red candle to the downside and now another red candle. So it's really important that the bulls managing to close this candle above the neckline so that we can see here the next push to the upside for a Bitcoin. So, but I also want to go here into different time frames. Here on the daily chart is something evolving that is a little bit concerning if it would play out. So, and that is here this rising wedge. So what we could technically see here in the next coming hours could be that we see here a last final move here to the upside to test the upper resistance of this upward sloping resistance line and create here a new local higher high. So, and then a move back to the downside to the bottom of this upwards trending support of this rising wedge, and then a break to the downside. So, and the technical target would be here once again all the way down to our next bigger support level to around $37,340. So obviously that is something that we don't want to see for the Bitcoin price to happen. So what we want to see is the most unlikely case. So, and that would be that here the Bitcoin price would actually break out of this rising wedge to the upside. That is not uncommon. We have seen this in the past, especially in the last bull run, where we were forming a rising wedge after the next one and always broke it to the upside. So you basically could be 90% sure if you saw a rising wedge that this would break to the upside. So obviously now we are not 100% back in a parabolic move or in a bull trend, and that's why we have to be quite cautious here with these rising wedges, because they have by textbook a more likely chance to break it to the downside and to reach the technical target, which would be all the way down in this support area. So then when we are moving here to another daily chart, so here things looking a little bit better because we are still technically outside this bigger broadening falling wedge here. So, but if this this rising wedge is playing out on here on this daily chart, then we have quite a problem, because then also this here is just a fake out and we would fall back into this broadening wedge, and we can then also revisit lower levels for the Bitcoin price. So what we want to see in the best case scenario is that the Bitcoin price maybe comes back to test here the support, the former resistance line here of the top of this falling broadening wedge, so which is sitting at 41,200, 40,800, gets a bounce from there and then moves here back to the upside. Today I also want to go here into a lower time frame, because there are also other levels that we should be keeping an eye on. So I will clear this up here. So let me go here to a 50 minutes chart to show you guys this. So, and that is something that we can watch here in the immediate short term for the Bitcoin price, and that will give us direction over the day. So we see here, we have here this kind of downwards trending resistance line, and we have a second one. So I have to pull this from also from here so that is the second one. So I will make this one here in red. So, and you can see the Bitcoin price is really close now to the lower resistance line here, to test this once again. So, and that is what we would like to see, and obviously a break through this, because then the chances are highly increasing that the Bitcoin price will come up here all the way in the next coming hours to retest the $43,120 level, because that is kind of the level where this downwards trending resistance line is sitting right on, and this line is coming here from this top and from this top here. So if we would fall here any lower, then we have to keep watching here. Let me get this here. This range would be the next support zone on the 50 minutes chart. Don't forget this, guys. So based on the 50 minutes chart, so this would be then the immediate support zone here from basically 42,000 to 41,800. So, and then we would most likely see, and let me also clear this up quick. So from there, we would then most likely see then a continuous move here to the upside if we would drop that low. So the possibility is there, so we should be prepared for this. We could even wick under this here, but I believe we would come really quick back up here and then continue to the upside. So if you are looking right now for a Bitcoin trade, then I highly recommend you to wait for a break of this line here. So that would be a break above 42,000, let's say $300, $400, and then you can trade this here all the way up to this resistance line, $43,100, so which is an $800 spread. So if you trade this with a 10x leverage with one Bitcoin, so that would be $8,000 profit that you could make here. With 25x leverage, it would be $20,000 that you can bank here quite easily. With this move. So if you want to trade, then don't forget you can go to Bybit. The link is here in the video description below. On Bybit you get $4,100 for free for using my link. On Phemex also $4,100 only if you use my link. Registration takes only 15 seconds. Then you deposit some money, start trading, claim your bonus, withdraw the profits, and rinse and repeat, guys. Also, don't forget on Bybit right now, if you commit your BIT, which is the native token of Bybit, if you commit your BIT for staking here, then you will get a portion of ETHEREUM Empires, so which is a new metaverse coin. So you only have to commit to the BIT pool staking here. You just go here on Bybit to earn, launch pool, and then you can participate in this IEO. So I actually have done this, so I want to get some of this ETHEREUM Empires coins, because it's a game, metaverse game. So, and they have also NFTs, and you can see here also PvP battles. So this might be a really, really good game here, and coins that I want to keep here for the long term. So then let's get here into Ethereum. On Ethereum, we also see here signs that we are still riding here a support line to the downside and also to the upside. Let me show you here the support line to the upside. Oh, sorry, so from here. So there you go, there you can see it. Make this one white. So the Ethereum price is right now riding on this upward sloping support line. So obviously we don't want to see this line to be broken, because if that would be broken, the next level would be $2,900. And if that level would get broken, then we would fall lower, most likely to the 0.382 level at $2,762. So to the upside, so now you can see it already a little bit. With here the Fibonacci retracement level of $3,048, we are forming something like an ascending triangle, or if you draw a resistance line down here, then also a symmetrical triangle that we are forming here. So, and if we measure this like this here, so in any case, so this would bring us to $3,220 for the Ethereum price in the immediate short term. So we only have to watch these levels that I've just shown you guys here. If we break here under $2,938, that will be the sign that we most likely fall down here to $2,900, because also this is lining up with this downward sloping support line that we have here in green. So, and if we break here higher above 2,000, let's say 2,975, that will be then the sign that we most likely test here $3,050. And if we break above this, then we will go way higher. So there you go, guys. You have here both scenarios. You can either long or short this, depending what your preference is, but we have here for Ethereum both scenarios laid out for you. So then here on the Bitcoin dominance is exactly happening what I was showing you the other day, guys. I told you most likely we will start to go here sideways and move here closer to this support zone again. So, and this is with today's candle exactly what we are seeing here. So, and I hope that we continue this trend, and in my opinion, we will come down here to test the support level and then break through this and go here to the technical target of this rising channel, so which is sitting here at around 41%, and from there we could see a further move under 40% here once again, and that will obviously lead to a massive gains here in the immediate short term for all the or most of the altcoins out there. Also, guys, I don't want to forget, you can still join here my paid signals channel group if you want to. The link is also here under my video description. Let me show you the gains here over the last couple of weeks. So here you can see we have accumulated spot profit of 240.1 approximately. 241% approximately. With 2x leverage across all signals was 365.5 approximately, and with 3x was 548% in profits that we have achieved over the whole month from the 1st to the 24th now. So which are obviously amazing results. So if you want to make a massive bank on signals that I'm not sharing here on YouTube, only in the paid group, take advantage. Contact my staff here on this Telegram link. They will hook you up with my Signals channel. If you want to just join the normal Signals channel where we exchange ideas and talk in general about crypto, you can do this too. Here is also the link to my normal and free and open Signals channel. Guys, that's it already for today's episode. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, also activate the notification bell, and I will see you again tomorrow.